7th International Physics Olympiad year 1974 IPHO. I offer private tutoring for Physics Olympiad preparation. I currently have openings. Message me if interested at fred1996@hotmail.com or use Skype name Eduard F1996. Problem number 1. A hydrogen atom in the ground state moving with the velocity v collides with another hydrogen atom in the ground state at rest. Using the Bohr model, find the smallest velocity v0 of the atom below which the collision must be elastic. At velocity v0, the collision may be inelastic and the colliding atoms may emit electromagnetic radiation. Estimate the difference of frequencies of the radiation emitted in the direction of the initial velocity of the hydrogen atom and in the opposite direction as a fraction expressed in percent of their arithmetical mean value. You can use next data mentioned here. 7th International Physics Olympiad year 1974 IPHO. I offer private tutoring for Physics Olympiad preparation. I currently have openings. Message me if interested at fred1996@hotmail.com or use Skype name Eduard F1996. Problem number 2. Consider a parallel transparent plate of thickness d. Its refraction index varies as n equal n0 over 1 minus x over r. A light beam enters from the air perpendicularly to the plate at the point A, xa equals 0, and emerge from it at the point B at an angle alpha. First, find the refraction index NB at the point B. Second, find xb, it means value of x at the point B. 3. Find the thickness d of the plate. Data: n0 equal 1.2, r equal 13 centimeters, alpha equal 30 degrees. 7th International Physics Olympiad year 1974 IPHO. I offer private tutoring for Physics Olympiad preparation. I currently have openings. Message me if interested. My email is fred1996@hotmail.com or you can use Skype name Eduard F1996. Problem number 3. A scientific expedition stayed on an uninhabited island. The members of the expedition had some source of energy, but after some time these sources exhausted. Then they decided to construct an alternative energy source. Unfortunately, the island was very quiet. There were no winds, clouds uniformly covered the sky. The air pressure was constant and the temperatures of air and the water in the sea were the same during day and night. Fortunately, they found a source of chemically neutral gas outgoing very slowly from a cavity. The pressure and the temperature of the gas are exactly the same as the pressure and temperature of the atmosphere. The expedition had, however, certain membranes in its equipment. One of them was ideally transparent for gas and ideally non-transparent for air. Another one had an opposite property. It was ideally transparent for air and ideally non-transparent for gas. The membranes of the expedition had materials and tools that allowed them to make different mechanical devices, such as cylinders with pistons, valves, etc. They decided to construct an engine by using the gas from the cavity, show that there is no theoretical limit on the power of an ideal engine that uses the gas and the membranes considered above.